Hello, you're watching the Unit B Concept 7 video for Mrs. Cummings' Language Arts class. This is the final video for Unit B, Verbs. After watching this video, you should be able to identify verb moods. The mood of a verb refers to the attitude that a writer has to what is being written. Identifying verb moods will help you understand English grammar and thus improve your writing. The indicative mood is very common. It is used to express facts or information. For example, Mike always crosses the street in a crosswalk. The imperative mood is also quite common. Use it to give orders or make requests. For example, be careful crossing the street. The conditional mood expresses the likeliness of an event happening. The word if is used with a verb that conveys whether something is very likely or not very likely to happen. For example, if you run out into the street, you will get hit by a car. The situation hasn't happened yet, but it is very likely. And if you run out into the street, you would need an ambulance. The situation hasn't happened yet, but the situation is not very likely. The subjunctive mood is not very common. One of its uses is in a dependent clause attached to an independent clause that uses an adjective such as essential or important to express urgency. The third person form of the verb drops the S. For example, it is important that David take care when crossing the street. Now it's time for a little practice. For this exercise, you're going to read 5 sentences. In your SSS packet, write the name of the mood, indicative, imperative, conditional, or subjunctive, that is expressed in each sentence. Number 1. If I could play the guitar, I would be a famous rock star. Number 2. It is necessary that a person practice hard in order to become a musician. Number 3. Even when a person is very good at an instrument, practice is important. Number 4. Some people practice for many hours every day. Number 5. Play a song for me, please. Pause the video now and complete the exercise. Once you have finished, resume the video to check your answers. Number 1 uses a conditional verb mood. Number 2 is subjunctive. Number 3 is subjunctive. Number 4 is also indicative. And number 5 is imperative. Hopefully you did well on the practice example problems. If you did, try taking the Unit B Concept 7 Mastery Quiz. This was the final objective for Unit B. Make sure you finish your WISC and place it in your Language Arts binder. Come to class prepared to discuss and participate in activities that cover this concept.